take y'all along with me. I'm gonna fix me a little breakfast. This will hold me off until when I eat in a couple hours. I'll eat some lunch. It is my version of a keto coffee. I am going to be getting my protein in as well as getting in some good fats. So here, let's start. I took a 16-ounce bottle of water, and I heated it up some so that I'll be able to handle the coconut oil blending well. And I am using instant coffee today. It's just a plain Jane brand. I'm not even sure where I got it. I'm going to pour the water into my blender. This is my handy dandy Ninja blender. I could not live without it. I love my blender. I am going to take, I like strong coffee, and I don't have one of those French presses yet, so here I am just going to do it like this right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 heaping spoons of instant coffee. I am going to add, this is just the Kroger brand pure coconut oil. And I apologize for any noise in the background. My air conditioner is on, and my husband is also on the phone. Sometimes when you have a busy household, that is what happens. You have noise going everywhere. So I am going to just take the spoon, and I am going to put about a tablespoon. And I've been doing it long enough to know that that is roughly a tablespoon. Let's see. I am going to not be able to put the lid on. Sorry about that, y'all. I am going to add 2 scoops of my whey isolate protein. It's vanilla flavored, and it is from Integrated Supplements, the home edition. I got it because, truth is, I thought it was unflavored when I got it. I bought it from our local Walmart, and it's not. But I like the flavor. It's very mild, and it blends very well. And 2 scoops is only 100. Whew, I can't see. 2 scoops is only 110 calories, 1 gram of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. So you're getting 20 grams of protein and some good healthy fats with this coffee, this morning coffee. And I love my coffee, and I can't do without my coffee. So this is one way of getting it in, but also getting a meal in. I love the flavor of coconut and cinnamon. I'm going to put a couple spritz of my ground cinnamon into my Ninja. And this here is imitation coconut extract. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't use what you have to maintain or reach your weight loss goals. It doesn't matter if you don't have the money, if you don't have the ability to go out and buy a prime rib or the 95% ground beef. Use what you have and just learn how to work with it. Drain the hamburger multiple times, pat it down, eat a little bit less of it, and add some other healthy starch with it to make it go further. Some other type of vegetable. I'm going to put in a couple drops. I love the flavor of coconut. I just absolutely love it. And then I'm going, for just enough extra sweetness, I have liquid no calorie stevia. And I'm just going to put memories right there. Okay, here we go. Now I am going to ever so gently start to pulse this. And I'm not going to pulse it like really, really fast, because whenever it's warm, it tends to like to come out of my spout. So I'm going to hold my spout down. Ooh, you hear that? Ah. But we need to get that coconut oil mixed in well. I am going to take something and hold it over that, because it's one thing to try to push it. There we go. Woo! Uh-oh. Sprung a little. Now, I like iced coffee. And this is not going to be iced coffee, but it's really close. I have about a half of one of these cups with ice. I'm going to throw it in there just so it'll cool it down some. You can smell that cinnamon and the coconut. It makes it so good. Makes it taste. I think my belief is if your food smells good, it's going to taste good also. So we're going to take this. Listen to that. Oh, and I'm making a mess. But that can be cleaned up. Now, look at that. Yes. Open up my spout. And pour it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I wish y'all there was smell-o-vision, because you could smell the mixture of the coconut and the cinnamon. It is freaking amazing. Oh my God. That is so good. A quick and easy coffee drink made at home with no added sugars except for your stevia, good healthy fats, and good protein added. Enough to hold you over till lunchtime, or till you're able to get you some kind of mid-meal, if that's what you do. Or this is enough to hold you over for a couple hours. It's going to satiate the fat hormones, where you're wanting to, the fat tends to make you feel fuller for longer. So that's, you have your coconut oil, and that tablespoon is 120 calories. Your whey protein is 100. And nothing else has any calories in it. You have cinnamon, sweetener, instant coffee, and coconut flavoring. So you have 220 calories in a quick drink that's going to keep you full for a couple of hours till you're able to get to your next meal. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and until next time, bless y'all now and always. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.